Hi there, we are now on Learning Activity 3, Editing Components. Just to take you through the guidance, in this particular task, you will need to use screenshots and explanations to show the steps that you followed to edit a clip in your movie. And to pass, once again, you will need at least 4 screenshots with explanations in a step-by-step format. Some people ask themselves, when you say edit, what exactly do you mean? Well, I will show you. Editing is simply changing how something is in your movie. I'm going to show you how to edit a clip. Simply use that, take your screenshots, use your movie, put it on the sheet, and let's move on with our lives. Okay? Really simple. You need to go to Windows Movie Maker. Again, I have my movie and my components here. First thing you need to do, move your mouse cursor, click on Show Timeline. Okay, now the timeline is very important. If you remember, you guys did a timeline showing what would be happening in every part of your movie and at what time. You have the same thing here in Windows Movie Maker. After you click on Show Timeline, I want you to move your mouse cursor again. There are 2 zoom buttons. One says minus, one says plus. Let's zoom in so we can see what we are looking at. We have our title here. Let's click it once. Our title runs between 0 and 3.5 seconds. And then our picture comes. If you look at the time, our picture comes in from 3 seconds to about 8.40 seconds. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to edit this video or this picture here so it's either longer, we can make it longer, or we can make it shorter, guys. That's simply editing. That's all you're doing. You can take a clip, make it longer, or make it shorter. That's all you're doing. Compress it or extend it. So all you do is simply click on what you want to edit. It could be anything. Okay, this is my imaginary video. You will have a lot of things that you can edit. I am just working with these 2, but the principle still holds true. Okay, so I will click on this picture and I want to extend it to maybe 10 seconds. All I do is simply click on the picture, move my mouse cursor. You see this little black arrow here. Once I hover my mouse cursor over it, it changes to these red arrows pointing in both directions. Simply click and hold and drag out, okay, to extend your clip, edit it to extend, or simply click and hold again to edit it and compress it, make it shorter. It's entirely up to you. That is all you're doing. You're either extending, okay, or you're compressing to make it shorter or longer. That is simply what and how you edit. So right now you have to go into your video. After you've made it, find something in your video that you can either extend or compress to edit. And that is simply the editing section. Remember, you need 4 screenshots. Always show the before and the after. This is my video. This is the clip I want to edit. This was what was wrong with it. It was either too long or too short. This is me extending it, or this is me compressing it. Okay, and then afterwards in the final screenshot you show this is my video after I have edited it or made the changes to it. So remember, you're doing the before, the during, and the after. Okay, and you're doing it 4 screenshots minimum with explanations on the evidence report. Go and do it now.